Hi, I am Lovely Sharma from Police Public School Mansa. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope everyone is safe at home. Students, now we are going to learn about lines or strokes. Before learning to read or write in a language, we must first know letters, and to write these letters, we will learn some kinds of strokes or some kinds of lines. Students, now we will learn about different types of lines or strokes. We use the strokes or lines to write letters and numbers. Here are some kinds of lines. First, this is a standing up line, up to down. Next, this is a sleeping line. And this is a right slanting line. Next, this is a left slanting line. Look at this. This is a right curve. And this is a left curve. Look at this. This is an up curve. And next, this is a down curve. This is the circle. These are dotted lines. And these are zigzag lines. Students, now we are going to learn about pattern writing. Before starting the concept of pattern writing, we will recall the lines and strokes. These are standing lines. These are sleeping lines. These are slanting lines. And next, these are curves. Standing lines and sleeping lines. These are our basic lines. Dear parents, after scribbling and pencil grip developing, we will talk about how to practice tracing lines. After learning these tracing lines, students will learn to write easily. We use mainly 4 strokes for pattern writing, like these. So now let's do practice to draw these strokes and lines. Now we will learn about sleeping lines. Learn about sleeping lines. Look here, some dotted lines are given below. What we have to do, we have to trace over these dotted lines this way. This manner, we have to trace over these dotted lines. This way, we trace over the dotted lines to make sleeping lines. Next, you can see 2 dots are given below. What you have to do here, you have to join the 2 dots to make a sleeping lines. This way. Which lines are these? These are known as sleeping lines. These are known as sleeping lines. This manner we join the two dots to make sleeping lines. Next step, you see some boxes have been given here. What you have to do? You have to draw some sleeping lines in the given boxes. Freely, you can draw some sleeping lines here. And complete all the boxes. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye, students. We will meet again in the next video.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.